It's a match between these two USB-C charging cords. Wait a minute, we don't need to fight. We have the Mixper short 2-pack USB-C charging cable. It is great for if you're wanting a nice charging station on the side of your bed, but you don't want a huge long cord messing up the nice pretty nightstand or station that you have. You can just plug this in a charging port and plug in your phone, plug in your tablet, whatever your need. It's right there by your side for if you need an alarm to wake you up. If you are wanting to, when you get up and you want to charge your phone, it's right there. Now, the Aeonius USB-C charging cables come in a 3-pack in bright different colors, orange, green, and blue. And they are great for when you are on the go. If you're in a car and you're needing to charge your phone, a lot of times the cord isn't long enough. Or if you are needing to use your tablet or phone, and it's needing to be charged, you have a long enough cord to plug it in and to bring it to wherever you are and use it at the same time. The Mixper set is a great option if you are not wanting messy tangled cords. The Aeonius 3-pack is a wonderful option. It can travel on the go.